Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to translate signs using Google Translate on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Google Translate app. Once Google Translate is open, tap the camera icon at the bottom right side. This will open the camera translation feature. Point your camera at the sign you want to translate. Make sure the sign is clearly visible on your screen so Google Translate can recognize the text. Once the sign is visible, tap the capture icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Google Translate will scan the text from the sign. At the top of the screen, choose the language you want to translate from and the language you want to translate to. For example, you can select English to Urdu. After Google Translate recognizes the sign, it will display the translated text in your selected language. You can now read the translation directly on your screen. And that's how you can translate signs using Google Translate on your iPhone. If you like the video, subscribe to Solution Lab for more simple tutorials.